But the God that I serve, he came into the room and he said to all the doubters and to all the mourners and to all the unbelievers, get out. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, sometimes you got to tell them unbelieving people, get out the room, get out of the church for a moment or two and go back there in the back, because we're going to have church now. Everybody that don't believe that God can do what he said he can do, go on and get out, because the day right now, somebody gonna get delivered, somebody gonna get totally healed, and we don't have time for unbelievers and for doubters to steal our joy. Do I have a witness in here? Somebody say hallelujah. And after they rolled away the stone, I heard the old preacher say, he said, well, if he had not specified who he wanted to rise again, graves everywhere.
Let's get him.
I wanna be like Jesus. I wanna be.
She said, are you that preacher of LA? I said, yes ma'am, is everything okay? She said, come over here, I got something to say. You shouldn't be on TV acting that way. I said, whoa, you rather I be fake? Want me to act like I don't make